Biomaterials is one of the specialized areas within the domain of biomedical engineering. It improves the quality of life and helps in designing of prosthetics and artificial organs. Materials hardness test is one of the important parameters which enables to evaluate its property including strength, ductility and wear resistance. This motorized hardness tester is a multifunctional instrument with three kinds of testing methods including Burnell, Rockwell and Vickers. This instrument adopts automatic shifter to load, dwell and unload testing force. Therefore, the operation of this instrument is simple, easy and quick. This can be used as a part of design determination in the course of Biomaterials offered by the Department of Biomedical Engineering here at Barrett Hodgson University.